Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a child support debt forgiveness letter. This letter is a formal request submitted to the appropriate child support agency, asking for a reduction or cancellation of past due child support payments. You begin the letter by stating your name and address, followed by the date. Next, you address the letter to the child support office, including their full address. You then open the message formally with, to whom it may concern, setting a respectful and official tone for your request. After that, write, I am writing to request forgiveness for a portion of the child support debt currently owed. In the past, I faced financial difficulties that prevented me from meeting my full obligations. Since then, I have made steady progress and resumed consistent payments. I understand the importance of fulfilling my responsibilities and remain committed to supporting my child moving forward. I respectfully ask for your consideration in reducing the outstanding debt. This support would ease financial pressure and allow me to better focus on maintaining regular payments and meeting my child's ongoing needs. I hope my current efforts and intentions will be taken into account during the review. Sincerely, a concerned parent. Here's our sample child support debt forgiveness letter. You'll notice how it clearly explains the reason for the request, outlines the writer's current financial situation, and maintains a respectful and sincere tone throughout. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective personal and formal letters.